Did you know that cilantro, also known as coriander leaves, can actually help remove heavy metals from your body? That's right. This humble herb is not only delicious, but works as a natural detoxifier to cleanse your system. Let's dive into the amazing health benefits of cilantro. Top health benefits of cilantro. Here's why cilantro deserves a spot in your daily meals. 1. Natural detox powerhouse. Cilantro is famous for its ability to bind heavy metals like lead and mercury, flushing them out of your system. If you want a natural detox, cilantro is your go-to. 2. Supports healthy digestion packed with fiber. Cilantro can help improve digestion, reduce bloating, and ease stomach discomfort. Plus, it supports healthy gut bacteria. 3. Boosts immune system with vitamins A, C, and K. Cilantro strengthens your immune system, helping your body fight off infections and keeping you healthier all year long. 5. Promotes heart health. Cilantro contains powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels, supporting heart health and lowering the risk of heart disease. 6. Helps regulate blood sugar. Studies show that cilantro can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it especially helpful for those with diabetes or those looking to balance their energy levels. How to add cilantro to your daily routine. Want to enjoy these benefits daily? Here's how to add cilantro to your meals effortlessly. Fresh topping. Use cilantro as a garnish on soups, salads, and curries. It adds a burst of flavor and a nutritional boost. Smoothies and juices. Blend a handful of cilantro into your morning smoothie or juice. It's a refreshing and detoxifying start to your day. Homemade pesto. Swap basil for cilantro in your pesto recipe for a unique twist with added detox benefits. Interesting fact. Here's an interesting fact. Did you know that cilantro has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years across cultures? From ancient Egypt to Ayurvedic practices, it was valued not just as a herb, but as a natural medicine.